Hello students, in the last class we are discussed about a matter. Chapter 4 matter. Matter nothing but everything around is a matter, nothing but solid, liquid or gaseous. Solids nothing but salts and everything you can take whatever solid instead, and liquid nothing but water, milk or whatever liquid forms you can take. Here I have wrote two examples over here. And what about gases? Oxygen, nitrogen and hydrogen. Whatever gases you may know, you can write, isn't it? Now we'll discuss about the solid. Here I have drawn a diagram. Just look at this diagram. Okay, this is a solid. Just think that it's a solid. What inside the solid? Atoms and molecules, isn't it? What inside this pen? Refill. And for this we have a spring. Like that solid we have a some atoms and molecules. Okay, these atoms and molecules are tightly packed. Nothing but these atoms and molecules are tightly packed. Okay, and the force, when they are tightly packed, the force of attraction also high and its density also high. Got it? In this diagram you can see the atoms and molecules are very tightly packed and the force of attraction also very high and the density also very high. Density nothing but mass by volume. Here you can see the molecules are tightly packed. As I said, now the intermolecular force of attraction also high and the density is also high, and these solids do not diffuse. These do not diffuse. Okay, these have definite shape and definite volume. These solids have definite shape and volume. Look at this pen. These have definite shape and it has its own value, isn't it? Like that every solid and every matter has a definite shape and definite value. The molecules in solids are very closely packed. As I said here, the molecules or atoms are very closely packed in a fixed position. They will packed, okay, and held together with strong intermolecular force of attraction. These can held together with strong intermolecular, nothing but these packed with a tightly packed and with strong intermolecular force of attraction. Got it? And now these solids are incompressible. Why they are incompressible? Because these molecules in atoms are very small actually. Okay, molecules and atoms are very small, and the space between the atoms and molecules, nothing but the space and between the atoms and molecules are also very small. So the force is very high and the density also very high. Got it? These cannot leave their fixed position. Okay, these atoms and molecules in a solids never leave their fixed position. Got it? Solid expand on heating and contraction and cooling. Solid have a high density because the solid will expand on heating. While heating, the solid may expand. If you heat this pen, this will expand, isn't it? If you heat this will definitely will expand, and the contraction of cooling solid have high density because it is having high density and force of attraction also very high. Got it? As the molecules are very close to each other, they are high density. When they are very close to each other and they have high density. Okay, density nothing but mass by volume. Here I have written here density is the mass per unit volume, that is D is equals to m by V. Nothing but D is equals to density, mass and volume. Got it? Now diffusion. What is meant by diffusion? It is the intermixing of molecules, different substances on their own. Nothing but intermixing of molecules, different substances on their own, as they are strong intermolecular force of attraction and negligible space between the molecules or molecule of solid cannot leave their fixed position and move away from one another. Nothing but diffusion, nothing but these molecules. Here you can see these molecules and atoms whichever present in a solid, they have more of attraction, more force of attraction, and the space between the molecules is very negligible, nothing but very small. This we can't see with our naked eye. By microscope only we can see that. Okay, molecules and solids cannot, they never leave their fixed position and they cannot move from one another. This is all about the solids, and tomorrow we'll discuss about the liquids and gaseous. Okay, hope you like my video. Please subscribe, share and share. Support me. Thank you.